Hello, future engineers. There is another video in plane and solid analytic geometry. This is mix solve problems in plane and solid analytic geometry, batch 3. So here we go. Quadrilateral is bounded by points A, 4, 3, B, 2, negative 7 halves, C, negative 13 over 4, comma, negative 1, and D, negative 1 to determine the following. The equation of each side of the quadrilateral, the distance of each side from the origin, the area of the quadrilateral as the sum of the areas of four triangles because there are four sides. So we use 1/2 base times height, where the height would be the answers to 3.2 distance of each side from the origin, because that's the perpendicular distance from the side to the origin. So first, for the equation, let's plot the points first. A, B, D, C, and B. Then this is the quadrilateral. So slope of AB is equal to 3 minus negative 7 halves all over quantity 4 minus 2, and that is equal to 13 over 4. So the equation of the side AB is, using point A as the point, is 13x minus 4y equals 13 times 4 minus 4 times 3. You can check also using 2 comma negative 7 halves. 13 times 2 minus 4 times negative 7 halves. The answer should be the same. So 13x minus 4y minus 40 equals 0. That's the equation of side AB. Then for BC, the slope is negative 1 minus negative 7 halves all over quantity negative 13 over 4 minus 2, and that is equal to negative 10 over 21. So the equation of BC is 10x plus 21y equals 10 times 2 plus 21 times negative 7 halves. You can also use 10 times negative 13 over 4 plus 21 times negative 1 instead. The answer should be the same. So equation of side BC is 20x after we multiply everything by 2 plus 42y plus 107 equals 0. Then next we have CD. The slope is quantity 2 minus negative 1 all over quantity negative 1 minus negative 13 over 4, and that's 4/3. So the equation, I select negative 1 comma 2 as the point. So 4x minus 3y equals 4 times negative 1 minus 3 times 2. You can use this point instead. So 4x minus 3y plus 10 equals 0. That's equation of CD. Then finally, for slope of AD, it is 3 minus 2 all over quantity 4 minus negative 1, and that's 1/5. The equation of AD is equal to x minus 5y equals, I choose 4 comma 3 equals 4 minus 5 times 3, and that is x minus 5y plus 11 equals 0. So the distance formula, distance from a point to a line, is equal to plus minus. There is plus minus in the numerator. But if it is purely distance that is asked, you may put absolute value bar and ignore the signs. But I'll demonstrate the use of the signs in the numerator and in the denominator so that you will be informed and the solution will be comprehensive for that case. So for distance of origin from AB, the origin is above AB, so it is positive in the numerator. The constant is negative 40 because this is 0, 0. So positive of negative 40 over negative, because the sign of B is negative, square root of 13 square plus negative 4 square. So positive of negative 40 over negative square root of 13 square plus negative 4 quantity square, and that is equal to 8 square root of 185 over 37, or in decimal 2.94 units. So I use 2.9404 units for calculations of area later. So next is PD. BC of the origin. The origin again is above BC, so positive in the numerator, positive of 107 divided by positive of square root of 20 square plus 42 square. So positive of square root of 20 square plus 42 square. In decimal, PBC is equal to 2.30014 units. Then for distance of origin from CD, the origin is now below CD, so it's negative of positive 10 over negative square root of 4 square plus negative 3 square. So negative of 10 over negative of square root of 4 square plus negative 3 square, and that is exactly 2 units. Then finally, for perpendicular or distance of origin from AD, the origin is below, so negative of 11 over negative of square root of 1 square plus negative 5 square, and that is 11 over square root of 26, or in decimal, that's 2.1573 units. So that's for part 3.2. Then for part 3.3, area of quadrilateral 1/2 base times height. So the length of AB is square root of quantity 4 minus 2 square plus 3 minus negative 7 half square. Length of BC is 2 minus negative 13 over 4 quantity square plus negative 7 halves minus negative 1 quantity square. So that's distance formula only, and verify that these are the lengths of the sides. So square root of 185 over 2 for AB, square root of 541 over 4 for BC, 3.75 for CD, and square root of 26 for AB. Of course, square root of 26, this one, this distance, because this is 5 units and that's 1 unit. So it's correct. So area is 1/2 of square root of 185 over 2 times 2.9404, 1/2 base times height, the formula for area, plus 1/2 of square root of 1541 over 4 times 2.30014, plus 1/2 of 3.75 times 2, then plus 1/2 of square root of 26 times 2.1573. So using your calculator, you add all these areas, you will get area equals 25.936 square units. So take note that the exact area in the preceding batches of problem, because this is the same and just extend it, was 415 over 16, and that is equivalent to the decimal value is 25.9375. So this is 93936, so there's a very small difference because of rounding off values. So that's it for this video.